Hi everyone, welcome to ecomback.com. Today I'm going to teach you that how you can make a bigger size picture in a smaller size without affecting the image quality. So this is a website, is called imagecompressor.com, and we are going to upload a file. I have this JPG file. The file is 1.6 MB as you can see over here. I'm going to upload that. The recommended size for the picture is less than 500 KB and right now 61 KB, so we can just slightly reduce the quality of the picture. It won't affect the picture much. It's just like, if you just make it on 75%, which is a best suitable size, you will see it's 397 KB, and the image quality is not compromised. Slightly, it makes slight difference, but 1.6 MB and 394 KB, so it's like three times lower than the actual size. So obviously when you upload that kind of picture on your website, it will help you to your website loading speed, and also image will be optimized properly. So that's how you can basically make the picture and upload the picture and make it like a better quality. Second thing is, if you're using a PNG, we won't recommend you to use PNG because PNG files are really big files, and the recommendation is to convert PNG into JPG. It's a website over here, png to jpg.com. You can simply go on this website, you can click on upload file. I have the PNG file over here. You can see it's 12.4 MB. Okay, and I'm going to upload this file. As you can see, the file is uploaded and converting, and now it's converted in JPG file. So I'm going to download this file. And it's downloaded on my desktop. So let's see. It's 1.1 MB. So the actual PNG file is 12.6 MB, but when I converted that into JPG, it's 1.1 MB. And obviously you can reduce the size of this file as well. You can go again on the different website and simply go over here, do the same process, 1.6 MB, upload. Sorry, I have the wrong file. 1.1 MB, upload. As you can see, the upload is complete. Now so it's on 600 KB, and you can even reduce the size a little bit. That's around 537 KB. So as you can see, it was a 12.6 MB file. Now we converted that to only 537 KB. So that's how you can optimize the pictures, and you can also have the better page speed. And the more smaller pictures are, the more like gonna get the page speed of your website. It also helps you in the website SEO as well. Hopefully that video helps you, and if there will be any question, you can email us at sales@ecomback.com. Thank you.